Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to image transfer old school way. We're going to go old school and sort of the easiest way because a lot of people struggle getting their images across. They can't afford other sort of tools, so we're going to go through an old school way which gets the job done for you. It'll get your outline across to whatever you're working on. There's a couple of different ways you can go about it, but the easiest way I've found is if you've got a printer or you've got access to a printer, print your artwork out. This is on A4, so just print it out, and then to the back where you've got the plain side, get yourself a pencil and literally cover the back in complete pencil. So if you've got a soft HB, works best. Just cover the whole back of the paper in pencil, and then you can pin your artwork to whatever you're working on. If you're working on paper, canvas, pin it to that, and then you can go round and press over the top, follow all the outlines out, and then when you remove it away, you'll get the outlines of the pencil that's on the back transferred across to your image. I think it's one of the easiest ways. Now, there is another way you can do it. If you get your piece of paper that you've printed out and place this on a window that's in like a good lit up window in your house where you're getting a lot of sunlight through, place that on the glass and pin it to the glass, and then place your blank piece of paper over the front of that, the one that you're going to paint on. And with that on the glass and the light coming through, you'll see this through your paper, and then you can just pencil around it again. So another nice and easy way if you've not got access or you can't in your budget afford like a projector or other methods of getting it down. I find them the simplest ways of getting pieces of artwork across, because we can all get access to a printer, whether it be A3 or A4. So I'm going to do a little demo on this. We're going to pencil the back out. I'm going to get a soft HB, pencil the whole of the back, and then I'll show you how you pin it up. You'll trace around and then you'll see your nice faint outline to work from. Nice and simple, guys. So let's get into it. Right, so off camera, I've penciled the back. So that's the image. Loads of pencil over the back. Nice and simple. A soft HB is better. If you get some of the hard ones, you'll be really scraping in. But a real soft HB on the back. Just put a nice pass of pencil down. Job done. Pin that to your piece that you're working on. Now you can go other ways around this as well. You can get a product called Tracedown. I'll pop it in the screen now. You can get this online. It's made by Frisket, and basically what that is a sheet of, it looks like that, like loads of like carbon on the back, and you would place that behind your piece of paper now, and then when you pin the trace down here, you lay that over the top, and then when you press down, you're getting the same effect as what we're doing in a minute. The trace down will put you the outline down wherever you press on your image. So pin your image to your piece and then go round and press fairly hard to the paper like that. We'll just do a few passes on this, just get a few lines down. And then you just trace around your printout, pressing down. We'll drop these lines in. Now, if you do use trace down, you can get two types. You can get a carbon one, which is like what we're doing now, so you get like a grey coloured outline. And you can also get a white trace down. Now, if you're working on a black background, say you're doing a bike, tank or a fender, and your base coat is black, use the white trace down. You do it the same way. You'd pin this to your panel, slide the white trace down behind your printed image, and then go in, pencil round, and then when you pull it away, you'll have a white outline. So you can get around it if you are working on black surface. So I'm just going to put a few lines in here. We'll just go around this bit of the eye like that. Just do a little bit. It's done it, we're okay. So I'll move the camera and you'll see some of the lines. When you lift your paper up, hopefully that's picking it up. You see the lines that he's put down? I've not put all of them down, but you can see how it's transferred that pencil image across. And I wasn't pressing really hard. So the minute you sort of do this, it just transfers it across. Do that, and then you're getting your lines across. So a nice, simple way of getting an image across. Pencil on the back of your printed out image, pin it to your paper, and then go round and pencil her in, and then you get the outlines across. If you're working on automotive and you're working on a black panel or a white panel, you can do the same. You can still go this way about it over a white base coat, pencil over the back, place that onto your tank or your fender or the bonnet, pencil on top, and you'll get that across on white. If you're working on black, I'd go for the Tracedown method, where you put the white piece of Tracedown under this piece. Same again over your tank, over your fender, pencil round, and then you will transfer white outlines over a black surface. So pretty simple. If you're going down the route where you're putting your piece of paper on your window of your house, again works the same. Put that down on the glass, put your piece of paper over the top, and that acts like a light box. Daylight from outside shines through, glows this up. You've got your white piece of paper over the top, and then you pencil around again. So nice and simple, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll leave links in the description to some Tracedown, light boxes, a projector if you're thinking of going that route. And I hope you can join me in the next one, because we are moving on to part 4 on the Tiger. So on the channel, guys, we've got up to here. We're going to continue on, move down. We've got part 4 on this bit. I'm on catch up because I've been working in the body shop. I've got to get this side done. So hopefully you've got to this piece, because that was the last section that we did. And then we can move on to part 4 on that. So plenty coming up on the channel, guys. Drop your comments, tell me your thoughts. Tell me your ways you get around dropping your artwork across, because there might be different ways that I might not know and you might know a different way. And we all sort of help each other out. And that's what it's about. Doing this content is getting these ideas across and just helping out the other artists, all the up and coming artists. So thanks for watching. Drop us a thumbs up, it really does help, and I will see you lot in the next one. Cheers.